guys, so today we are having meat for our dinner. I have some guests, so I'm making this. Get a knife so there you can see. Here, not cutting them very tiny. Me, big. So I'm chopping my tomatoes for my meat. So, it is entering. Our meat is here, guys. It's starting to boil. I'll wait for it to boil a little more. I don't put oil in my meat. So it just boils without oil. Then I will add some onion, some garlic. Let me squeeze some garlic in it. I want that smell of garlic. I want that sweet aroma. Just 3 cloves of garlic. Not too big. The meat is also a lot. The meat is like, come along and wash. See? Just mix the garlic inside. Inside, well mixed. Make sure I will cover and I let it just cook with the garlic alone. Potatoes that I want to make, let me peel it. So there, just boil. Add in some onion. Boil with the onions. For our carrots and tomatoes, let the onion boil. The onion also to boil a little more. That's how I make my meat. So there, onion. So my meat, the onions are cooked. Then we add tomatoes and carrots straight inside. You can see that. Mix it and let them. That is maize and beans. Guys, since I have a guest, he doesn't stay here in Africa. He's visiting, so that he needs to eat our organic and local food cooked at home. So welcome. Add in onion, tomatoes. Ready. So I want to put the spices. Here I have my soy sauce. 2 teaspoons. The meat is a bit much. And we have this one here. See? potatoes. My guest is from Loco. Okay, keep washing. Also here I have some potatoes. There we are. Our nyoyo is cooked, so you garnish it already with some green onions. And I cover it. You can see that. Hot pot is ready. Also, I'm serving it. So guys, here is our nyoyo, our vegetables, and also my potatoes is ready. My meat is also ready. I'm on a left with ugali, which I'm going to cook. I'm boiling the water for ugali. So guys, here is this is the ugali. So you see, that is our food is ready. Let me serve the meat. Posho, we have nyoyo, we have meat, we have potato, we have greens. So you're most welcome to have our dinner with us. I want to say thank you for watching my video. Thank you for liking, commenting, and sharing, guys. God bless all of you. I wish you a good night. Come and eat with me or with us. If you're new, my name is Afro Carol Kitchen. If you're my returning subscriber, you're most welcome. God bless you so much.